And now, taking the Las Vegas stage, Afro